I'm Dr. Lina, a gynecologist from Lebanon. I came to India IVF Clinic to do a 4-week fellowship in ART with Dr. Rishika. Since my first day here, everything was well organized regarding the conferences, the references I should read, the work in the clinic, and the work in operating theater, which made my acquiring of information and skills faster and easier. And now, like, my 4 weeks are almost done. I can know now almost all the protocols in IVF, the complications in IVF. I can do by myself oocyte retrieval and embryo transfer. I have also an idea about the embryo lab and how we can settle up an embryo lab. In addition, I know that Dr. Rishika will be always available in the future for if I have any question regarding the IVF. Honestly, what I learned during this month was more than I expected. I am honored because I had a chance to work with Dr. Rishika and learn from Dr. Rishika, who is really an icon in ART. I would like also to thank Dr. Rishika and her team and everyone here for their help that they offered to me during my stay here, which made my experience in India a great experience. I highly advise every gynecologist who wants to start his or her career, ART career, to come to IVF India Clinic and do fellowship with Dr. Rishika and her team.